all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can also automatically send WhatsApp messages to your new leads. And yes, you can try this for free today and send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. How? For that you just need Pabbly Connect, and for that you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of hours free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of hours free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, the discount coupon code is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. So yes, this discount coupon code is just for you. So try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect using this discount coupon code. So now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads because the lead details I'm capturing is using Google Ads only. For the event, I'm just going to select it as new lead form entry and click on this connect. Now I'm just going to receive this webhook URL. So let's just copy this webhook URL and open our Google Ads campaign. In this campaign, I've added the lead form and I'm just going to connect this lead form only with Pabbly Connect. For that, as you can see that this is the lead delivery option. So let's open it. For the webhook URL, just paste the URL which you copied from the workflow, enter the key and click on this send test data. It is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same test data right over here. And you're going to see the details have been captured, be it the phone number, email, first name or last name of the lead. Now you have two options. You can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead coming in real time. The second option is you can follow me, create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. I'll suggest you create this automation using the test lead details like me and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API because I want to send automated WhatsApp messages using the same. For the event, I'm just going to select it as send template message new and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and it is asking for the token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all of these three, first of all you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account, and for that you have to go towards this learn more hyperlink given right over here. Once you're going to open this, you're going to see the document where you're going to find two videos. The first video is how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account inside Pabbly Connect. Watch this video and you will find how to get this token, phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. After this, further, if you want to generate the permanent token, you can watch this video too. I have already created my API setup and this is the temporary access token, the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm just going to copy all of these three and paste it right over here. In order to learn how to generate the permanent token, the video is attached right over here. You can refer to this. I've copied all of these three details and pasted. Now I'm just going to click on this save button, and once we're going to click on this save, our WhatsApp Cloud API account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to enter the receiver's phone number. Alright, so let's enter the phone number of a lead, but we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And in order to insert the data from the previous step, just put a slash and then search for the data you wish to map. So mapping makes the text dynamic and we map the data so that it can turn dynamic and change with every new response. Alright, what is going to happen is this last response will change every time I receive a new lead, and same goes over here. This number is also going to change because I mapped it from the response of previous step. Alright, so that's the reason we do mapping, so that our workflow can run in real time. Okay, now it is asking me for the template ID. So to let you know about this template, I'm just going to open my WhatsApp API account and you're going to see over here is a button of create your own template. I'm just going to click on this and it is going to open message templates, and you're going to see over here are all the templates which I have already created, but in this video I'll use a template from this named thank thank you. So as you can see that this is the template which I want to use, and for that what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to select the same template. If you wish to create a new template, what you can do is you can go towards this add new template button in the manage template section and create your own. Alright, I've created my template. I'm just going to select it right over here, which is thank you. For the language code, my template is in EN. I'm just going to show you. As you can see that this is the language which is English, and for that you're going to see the codes are written just in front of the language. So my language is English, so the code is EN, so I'm just going to enter EN right over here. For the template name over here, if you don't see the same as the template ID, just click on this refresh fields and it is going to change. It is saying template has a header, so as you can see my template doesn't have any header right over here, so I'm just going to keep it as no. And now it is saying enable the mapping button and leave this field as blank if the template doesn't have any header. So let's do the same right over here. Now let's move on further. The next important thing is template has a body. So first of all, if your template has the header, these fields are required for you, otherwise leave it as blank. It is saying template has a body, so yes, my template has a body, as you can see right over here. After this, it is saying variable 1 example leads name. So what is this? So as you can see that this is my template, and in this template I have a variable which is 1 in curly brackets, and I want to replace this one with the name of my lead every time I send an automated WhatsApp message, so that each of my lead receives a personalized WhatsApp message. So I'm just going to map the value of 1 right over here, which is the name of my lead. Okay, now it is saying template has button, so no it doesn't, so I'm just going to keep it as no and the rest of the details as same. And now I'm just going to click on this save and send test request. But before we click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that I can show you the response and the message received. You don't have to do this if you're using the real lead details. Alright, so let's now click on the save and send test request, and now you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message. So let's open our WhatsApp, and you're going to see that we have successfully received the new message which says hi first name, thank you for reaching out us through our website, and the rest of the message. So yes, you can see the message is exactly the same, only the name is changed. And yes, this is the magic of the automation which we created right now. Not only to a single lead, but now whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from this Google Ads campaign, automatically an automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards that lead. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For the reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL in the description box below. You can check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.